Hello everyone, my name is Hardianti Hutami Junisa Putri from ANNISA Vocational High School, 11 Pharmacy Clinic 2. Today I'm going to give you a short presentation about kinds of medicinal drugs. So the purpose of my presentation is to tell you about pharmacy and drugs, kinds of, and the utility of medicine. So introduce you to some kinds of medicine. So my presentation will be divided by three parts. The first is definitions of drugs and pharmacy and why they are related to. The second is kinds of medicinal drugs. And three is the right usage of medicinal drugs. So please hold your question until the end of presentation. Okay. So as I mentioned, the first thing that I'm going to talk about is medicine. Medicine, or simply called a medication, or you can call it a medication, is a drug used to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent disease. Meanwhile, pharmacy is basically the science or practice of the preparation and dispensing medicinal drugs, also called the art of dispensing medicine because have substance of art in it, and that's why they are related to each other. So the second thing is we go into some more detail, like the classification or kinds of medicinal drugs, like liquid. Liquid is a medicine that combined with a liquid, so it's easier to take or absorb. Tablet is the active ingredients of medicine that combine with another substance and press it into round or oval solid shape. Meanwhile, capsule is the part of the medicine that contained inside a plastic shell that dissolves slowly into the stomach. And the other type is like topical medicine that applied directly into the skin, such as creams, lotion, or ointments. Suppositories is kind of medicine that press it into a bullet shape so it can be inserted into the bottom of body. And drops is kinds of medicine that works best if it reaches into the affected area directly. They tend to be used for eye, ear, or nose. And inhaler is medicine is released under the pressure directly into the lungs. And implant or patches basically absorb through the skin. And also tablet you don't swallow, known as buccal or sublingual tablets or liquids. Buccal medicine are held into the cheek so the mouth lining absorb the active ingredient. Sublingual medicine work in the same way but are put underneath the tongue. Okay, so the last part of my presentation is I'm also going to tell you about the right use of drugs, the right usage of drugs that you have to pay attention with it. Is you have to follow the direction of the medicine label carefully, or if you don't understand, you can also to just ask your doctor, nurse, or your pharmacist to explain. And keep a list of your medications such as medicine, vitamins, mineral, and herbs you can use to share information to your doctor on your next checkup. And one of the recommendations to reduce medication errors and harm is to use the 5 rights, like the right patient, the right drug, the right dose, the right route, and the right time. So I think that's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next video. Okay, thank you.